Dear participants, very good morning to all of you. I am going to talk about National Cadet Corps. It's an important topic, NCC. If you look at the introduction of this topic, the NCC is the largest youth organization in India and in the world also. There are 13 million cadets in India presently available. If you look at the motto of NCC is unity and discipline. The aim of NCC, there are three important aims are available. First one is to develop character, comradeship, discipline, secular outlook, spirit of adventure, sportsmanship, ideals of selfless service among the youth. The second one is to create a human resource organized, trained, motivated youth and provide leadership in all walks of life and always be available for the service of the nation. The third one is to provide suitable environment to motivate the youth to take up career in the armed forces. So these are the important aims of NCC. There are different trainings are being offered in NCC. The first one is physical training. Then weapon training, drill the weapons, rifles, and assemble and dismantle the rifles. Then we'll give drill practice. When you do very good march fast, then it will be looking good. Then map reading, and we also teach about leadership qualities so that the cadets become a good leaders in future. And adventure training, so they can take up trekking, cycling, mountaineering, rock climbing, like that there are different adventure training they can take, they'll get exposure. Then yoga training, so maintain their mental power, to improve the mental power, we are also giving yoga training in NCC. If you look at the incentives to cadets through NCC, the NCC they provide free uniform to students, and the refreshments, they will give the refreshment particularly during parade time. Washing allowance they used to give for washing their uniforms. And the NCC cadets, they have to attend 2 compulsory camps, that is combined annual training camp. During the camp, the cadets will be provided with free boarding, lodging and traveling allowance also. The merit cadets, they will get a scholarship from Tamil Nadu government as well as Cadet Welfare Society also. And once the cadet passed in B certificate as well as C certificate exam, they will get a reservation in army jobs. The cadets, when they got a C certificate with alpha grade or bravo grade, so they will straight away into the army as a lieutenant without writing exams. So they can appear as SSB as well as medical test, and they will get a job. And the NCC cadet, they get bonus marks in interviews, particularly uniform services in police and border security force and all. When they produce B as well as C certificate, they will get bonus marks in the interview. And most of the private firms, companies and banking sector, they used to give priority to NCC cadets because of their discipline nature. To summarize this topic, through the NCC, the youth are motivated and trained. They are becoming our country, citizen of our country. To have further read in these aspects, you can refer the following references. Thank you.